Creating a scenario in Surfy means making a partial or total copy of a building for redevelopment or simply a safety copy. To do this, I'm going to click on the icon at the bottom right, the scenarios and projects of the building. My page is blank since I don't have any scenario already created here, but I can create a new scenario. So give it a name. Project 1. Give it a color that is different from my main building to make sure I'm in the right environment. And there, I can either duplicate or not the workstations, duplicate the assignments, duplicate the objects, the organizations, or the analysis layers. If I remove the assignments and organizations, I am in a converted but ghost building with no one assigned. If I remove the workstations and objects, I get completely empty surfaces with qualifications for spaces such as nature of the ground, but my building is completely empty. And if I check everything, I have a building that is the exact copy of the original building. Then on the floors, I can, of course, select everything, deselect everything, or select only one floor. Then I'm going to create my scenario. My script is created and is behind the original building from which it is taken. If I want to move this project back to the first page, I edit the project, and I'll be able to delete the original building here in reference building, and suddenly, having no reference building, the project 1 building will be on the front page here. If ever now I want to hide it behind the village building, for example, I can modify my project 1 and choose my village building as a reference building. I save. Now, my script is no longer on the front page. It's no longer behind building B. It's behind the village building. Here, the small one indicates that there is a building behind it, the village building. And this is the project building 1. I can bring my project building 1 behind my building B. I save. And now the little one is behind building B, and indeed my project building is here.